Clemtech LLC, a pioneer in operational technology, OT, network cybersecurity, has unveiled Twilight Cyber, a solution offering early threat detection and protection. This innovation comes amidst the rising threat from international hackers and malicious state entities targeting businesses, infrastructure, and governments. This enhanced level of protection is crucial for Security Operations Centers, SOC, and internal security teams, ICT. Twilight Cyber is an advanced cybersecurity solution engineered to shield businesses from the constantly changing cyber threat landscape. Twilight Cyber, your reliable ally in cybersecurity, provides real-time breach detection and rapid neutralization of compromised credentials. Our platform, which requires no installation and is trusted by numerous businesses, understands that compromised credentials, such as stolen usernames, passwords, or cookies, are among the most significant vulnerabilities faced by organizations today. Twilight Cyber is here to help you maintain an edge over cyber threats. Asset protection. Twilight Cyber swiftly identifies compromised credentials. With our real-time dark web monitoring, you can prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and financial losses. In the event of credential leaks within your organization, Twilight Cyber's rapid detection will alert you within hours, providing a critical advantage in threat containment. Account takeover prevention. Twilight Cyber's ATO prevention, TATOP, updates information about compromised machines and credentials hourly, far exceeding the frequency of updates provided by traditional threat intelligence platforms. Partner supply chain. Protection. Twilight Cyber's supply chain. Protection efficiently identifies compromised credentials of your third-party vendors in near real time, protecting your organization from the catastrophic effects of supply chain breaches. OT network and critical infrastructure protection. Twilight's OT protection promptly detects compromised OT credentials and identifies machines with access to them through real-time monitoring and near-real-time breach detection. Twilight Cyber is more than just a product. It's a comprehensive solution to your cybersecurity needs. It's about safeguarding the integrity of your critical infrastructure, protecting your assets, and preserving the trust of your customers. With Twilight Cyber, you're not merely purchasing a product, you're investing in peace of mind. For more information, contact Clemtech LLC at services@clemtechlc.com.